Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with meteorologist Mike Hurd.
Let's analyze the big picture view because it is having an impact on our local weather pattern. Two things that I'm watching is a blocking high pressure ridge here in the Gulf of Alaska and this deep area of pressure that sits over northern Canada. The two are producing this deep trough of low pressure here, and on the bottom end we're picking up an area of low pressure that will be on the move, but these two features are basically going to stay still over the next handful of days. So one low is beginning to pull out of the region, heading up into the northern high plains. But with this low sitting up here in northern Canada, we'll see these periodic little waves of moisture try and trickle through. And this could still bring a passing shower or mountain flurry into Wednesday, Thursday, maybe even into Friday. But it looks very limited on the moisture content. Warmest part of the day, the atmosphere becomes slightly unstable and we'll pick up a few passing showers. But this also keeps temperatures a little on the colder side for at least another 24, possibly 48 hours. So the higher resolution model as we zoom into southwest Montana, still picking up these little pockets of hit and miss snow showers, and that will taper after sunset, clearing out and quite cold early tomorrow morning. We're going to be down there again near record level pace. In the afternoon, we're building back some clouds and a few spotty snow showers around, and that'll be true for your Wednesday and again into Thursday afternoon. But it's limited moisture. It's not going to be a rain out by no means, but a little on the unsettled side. Still, the base forecast as you look at the next day or two. Still sitting under some of those pockets of snow in Butte. 32 degrees right now, pretty chilly. We have a wind that's changing out of the west. It was out of the north through a better part of today and well below average in your high. And for your low, Bozeman coming in at 35 degrees and light snow in around the valley. We did pick up a little bit of moisture, 41 and 25. Your high and low should be in the lower 60s this time of the year, far from it here today. Lots of 30s, lots of 40s around the state. The only exception is up here in Kalispell at 53 and Spokane at 56 degrees, but the rest of the state pretty chilly here today. It's going to be colder tonight because the snow comes in. Skies will try and clear. I got teens and 20s. Watch for some patchy fog first thing in the morning. 30s, 40s, and 50s, a tiny bit warmer tomorrow than today, but again, these are still well below the 30-year averages for 1st of May. Single digits, that's unheard of for the 1st of May, but it's going to be a cold start. We got teens and 20s for the rest of you under partly cloudy skies, and 30s, 40s, and 50s are in there. That's the best I can do for you, but it's a slow transition. And as you look at the extended outlook, starting with Bozeman, you'll start to see temperatures try and come up into the 50s by Friday, possible low 60s, which is going to feel great over the weekend. Lows, though, that's more important. Those will be coming up in around freezing, but it won't be until the weekend. So we got at least another 1, 2, or 3 nights where temperatures are going to be below freezing, and just a few isolated showers or flurries from time to time Wednesday, Thursday, and possibly early next week. Butte, again, it's a slow transition. Mid-40s tomorrow, but mid-50s are possible Friday. Low 60s heading into the weekend and gradually bringing those lows up as well. Dillon, a few hit and miss showers are possible the next day or two, mainly higher based and into early next week. But you could be up there on 65 degrees by Sunday with lows closer to 40. Give it time, it will warm up. And West Yellowstone, a little better chance for some scattered off and on rain or snow Wednesday, Thursday, and again picking up a little more wet weather Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week.
We'll be mowing the lawn by the weekend.
Some of us will.
Yeah.
Anyway, Nick Petrotoni's in with sports right now, and somebody was able to get outside in this weather to run a little track and
You
field.
wouldn't think with the snow around the region,
Yeah.
but Anaconda, they got missed, and they had a nice track and field. John Cheek